Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to equip you with the tools necessary to be able to integrate this exciting new Yaystack offer into your outbound email marketing campaigns. So once you have created an offer on Yaystack and you've got it up and running on your back-end point of sale system and you're ready to launch this information out to your customer base, we've made it very easy to drive customers from that outbound email campaign directly to your site where they can act on that offer. So let's go ahead and look at this current offer that we have here of a $50 credit. Notice that we've got some action buttons right here. The first of which is a button that says Get Offer Link. So all you do is click this, and from here you copy the link and you're done. You close that, and then you go to your outbound email marketing campaign. It could be MailChimp, it could be any software that you happen to use, and you use that link as the hyperlink for a photograph, maybe a button that says act now, or a $50 credit, or whatever it is that you want to do in that email campaign as a call to action. They would simply click on that. Notice that it pings off our API and then drives that person off of us directly to your site. So they would click that link then in their email and they would land on your site, and within 2 seconds of landing there, your offer would pop up and they would be able to go from receiving an email with a call to action that motivated them to actually clicking the button, being on your site, and being immediately presented with the exact offer that they were interested in. Guys, I hope this was helpful. Make it a great day.